Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your GMC Acadia hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle. This lever is typically found on the driver's side, often near the kick panel or just above the door sill. Give it a firm pull to disengage the primary latch. You should hear a distinct click as the hood slightly pops open. This action prepares the hood for the next step, allowing you to access the secondary safety latch. Now move to the front of your GMC Acadia. Look under the slightly raised edge of the hood, directly above the grille. You'll find a secondary safety latch there. This latch is designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally. Gently push this lever up or to the side, depending on your model, while simultaneously lifting the hood. This two-step process ensures maximum safety when accessing your engine compartment. Once the hood is fully open, locate the hood prop rod. This rod is typically attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully lift the hood to its maximum height and insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole or slot. Make sure the rod is firmly seated and the hood is stable before you begin any work. This prevents accidental closure and ensures your safety while working under the hood. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back in its original holder. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 10 to 12 inches from fully closing. Release it, allowing its weight to pull it down and engage both latches. You should hear two distinct clicks, confirming it's securely closed. Always double-check that the hood is fully latched before driving. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.